Guys, Instagram has it all for you. It is a photo album taking feature, whatchamacallit? I don't know, when you guys put like the little colorful thing to make your skin look better and all that good stuff. Filters, oh my god. What's going on, guys? I want to talk about some Instagram features and I want to talk about how Instagram Reels is out. TikTok is now on Instagram. What do I mean by that? Literally, they stole TikTok and put it on Instagram. The same way they stole Snapchat and put it on stories, and the same way they stole YouTube and put it on IGTV. Guys, Instagram has it all for you. It is a photo album taking feature, whatchamacallit? I don't know, when you guys put like the little colorful thing to make your skin look better and all that good stuff. Filters, oh my god. Instagram is a photo taking, filter editing app. Instagram is mostly based on photos, but you can also put videos on. People promote both sides. But if you guys don't know about IGTV, IGTV is like your little YouTube where you can put your music videos up to 10 minutes if you guys want, because it's literally IG television where you can put as much minutes as long as you want, do a little series, TV show type of thing just on IG, just for you. You don't have to put it on your Instagram feed as well. It's like a whole different section, a whole different social media. Same thing with stories. Stories, you don't have to put it on your Instagram feed and you're just posting stories just like Snapchat. Same thing with Instagram Reels. So Instagram has 4 features now: IGTV, stories, Reels, and the original photo taking, photogenic album that you guys have on your original page. Instagram Reels is now popping. Instagram Reels has been popping low-key for the last few months, or last month, for all the tip-top high creators that were first on board for these apps, for this little feature for everybody that we couldn't do. Starting on Wednesday, Instagram Reels is now available for all of us. Let's start off real quick. You're gonna have to click the stories button, and it's part of your little stories. You're gonna swipe to the left and Reels will be right there. You're gonna click the add box in the top right corner, and you're ready to start posting videos quickly, 15-second short clips. Or you click your Discover page. Instagram Reels is gonna be on Discover page for months, probably a year, just so they can promote that little feature on their app as much as they can. And you're gonna click the Reels button on the bottom left of their video, and on the top right, you're going to click the add button again. Guys, I'm going to explain a couple things. I'm gonna show you guys right here, Instagram Reels. It looks different, it is different. It has kind of the same, it is the same as TikTok, but it's Instagram. So you can use sounds, you can use hashtags, you can post 15-second clips, you can make dance videos, you can do whatever you want with this part of the app. IGTV, guys, if you have a music video you want to promote and you only want to put 15 seconds on your Instagram feed, IGTV posts on a different site, a different album, still on the same app, but a different flow, a different marketing scheme, a different engagement of people, where you can put your first YouTube video, your first skit that relates to your second skit, and make a little series on it on IGTV. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, as long as you want. No one's gonna stop you. IGTV is there for you to make series and make music videos and whatever it may be. Right here, you got Instagram, we got your photogenic photos, which Instagram has a lot of features that you guys don't know. If you guys change saturations and vibrances on your Instagram photo, that's what brings out the colors. The white, more brillante, more brilliant, more bright. If you do the vibrance, these navy characters will be a little bit brighter, a little bit coming out. Little logos, little things like this will come out more colorful, more brighter, more clear for you. Make sure you play around with saturation and vibrance. And Instagram stories, you already know how Instagram stories works. It's exactly like Snapchat. You post as many clips as you guys want. It's only there for 24 hours. Everyone enjoys it for 24 hours, then it disappears. But if you have your Instagram bubble on your page, you can add to your story or add to your little album. All your videos and photos are archived. So if you guys think you've lost Instagram videos before, make that little bubble, click it, and then just scroll down months and months of Instagram stories that you thought were deleted. It's not deleted, I promise you guys. All your videos are there, and you can make an album on moving down south like me, or TikTok videos that hit over 100K like me. Let us know about your dog. Let us know about your success. Let us know about your love, your beauty, your exposure, your growth, whatever it may be. Guys, Instagram is killing the game right now. It's the only app that you can post more than 3-minute videos. You can put 15-second clips. You can post their most beautiful photos. And you can post 24-hour stories. They're killing the game at 18 million reviews, 5-star, 4-star, whatever star they are on the app. They are killing the game. They are not going nowhere. As long as they don't get sued for copyrights and copying other apps, they are going to be on top for the rest of the world. So TikTok, if Trump closes you down September 15th, Thriller, Dub Smash, Snapchat, if those die off, Instagram's still gonna be there collabing and making the next app that comes out and compete with them. Competition is key in this game, guys. So let's get to work. If you guys are just on TikTok, get on Instagram Reels. It's a whole different market base. It's a whole different flow of engagements. It's a whole different flow of people. If you guys are on Snapchat only, get on Instagram, post 24-hour Instagram stories as well. Start boosting up your pages. Guys, make those pages. You want to start your engagement now. You want to start your smart businesses now. Let's do it today. You don't want to sleep and wait till you're 10, 14, 15, 21 to start making social media pages to sell something that you wanted to sell your whole life, to make music that you wanted to make your whole life, to promote your creation on painting hats or designs or graphic arts, and you guys haven't been promoting it on social media. Get your ass on social media, guys. This is Dominican John. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for showing so much love. Let's get on all these social media pages. Now I'm on YouTube. Who would have known where I would have been in 10 years? And let's get to work, guys. Come on. Wait.